Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin with permissions. Confirm you have managed server or admin rights because you can't change invite defaults otherwise. Once confirmed, click the server name, open server settings, and head to the invites section. Do this now. Make sure to also open roles so you can edit member permissions in the same session. This first step sets the stage. You'll stop invites at their source instead of policing links later, which saves time and prevents accidental joins. Now you'll remove the ability to create invites. Go to Roles, select it Everyone first, and toggle off Create Instant Invite, Save Changes. Then, one by one, audit each role and bot. If a role shouldn't invite new people, remove that permission. Once done, inspect channel-level permissions because those can override role settings. Make sure no channel grants invite creation. This prevents new invite links and stops members from sharing server invites, enforcing a consistent invite policy across the server. Finish by removing any active invite links. Server settings right arrow invites, then delete all entries you don't want active. Once completed, announce the policy to moderators and document it in server rules so exceptions aren't recreated. If invites still appear, check inheritance. Roles can inherit Create Instant Invite and verify bot permissions. Some bots recreate links. If problems persist, temporarily strip bot roles, then reassign them.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.